Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. Today is June 13, 2016, and today is Monday morning. Looking at the economic calendar today, nothing on the horizon today, but surely there are things that will develop during this week. Let's look at the technicals. Looking at the EURUSD, big sell-off since last Friday from 114. We're selling at 112.59 right now. So, this came at the backside of the NFP last Friday. So, totally speaking, it's really trading within certain parameters. Okay, so this 114, a big resistance level, and we've been highlighting this for quite some time. And our next support level is 111. Conceivably maybe we'll have a support level of 1226 if we do trickle down even further than that. We do bounce off of that just previously. So altogether, this is in anticipation of a Brexit. Again, that's going to be in June 23rd. That's when Britain will vote whether or not it'll stay with the EU. We will have a special on the webinar sometime this week on that subject. Looking at the other markets, looking at gold, big rally at gold. Gold has really been the go-to investment, I guess you could say, instrument, rallying from 1200 all the way to 1280 in just the past couple of weeks. I mean, it's been enormous. Okay, it's really been a tremendous trade and a lot of volatility in it. So I mean, people are gravitating to it because it's a little bit more risk averse, and especially no one knows exactly what's going to happen with the Brexit move. Looking at the Dow Jones had a big rally last week, settling at 17,880. We're just below that, 17,811. The question is this resistance? Are we going to be selling off here? It looks like we're closer to resistance here, and perhaps we will be selling off towards the week. Looking at oil this week, oil big sell-off from 51 to 48, $3. We're now officially under $50, which is a big number. So really the next, real support level, I would say, is 47.60-ish level, maybe even 45.90 if we get that far down. So, those are my two next support levels. As you can see here, we had a little bit of a support level previously here, and then a resistance and anticipated support at this 46-ish level. That's where I would put it here. Now, these numbers are no longer valid, 28, 34. I don't think we'll be going back there anytime soon, as the craziness has subsided a little bit. Looking just at GBP right now, it's hard to look at the GBP right now because things are a little bit crazy in it. If you do have open positions in it, just realize that we're going to be changing the margin on it from 200 to 20, just because things are going to be affected by it, and we don't want to be overexposed to the market, and we don't want you guys to be overexposed to the market with it as well. So we're trading right now at our dead lows, 150. Will this go further down right before the vote? I have to keep an eye on that and to see how that actually fruites. So you might want to stay away from anything to do with the GBP or the euro for that matter. And in that case, you could probably trade the gold. You could trade the Aussie USD, which has been trading very well. You could trade the USDCAD, which did a beautiful thing last week. We bounced off of this lows of 25, $26 here. As you can see, we had a nice rally here last week, which was really very pretty, because we had this support level right here. We spoke about it on Thursday, and then sure enough, on Friday we did rally nicely in it. So lots of stuff really happening in the markets. You just got to be in it to win it. You might want to, just as an advice, stay away from the European related markets, Euro, USD, GBP, anything. Some of the other related Forex symbols to anything to do with Europe, so that you can protect yourself from any sort of unnecessary volatility and whiplash and all that stuff. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.